Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys are at all updated with Gorilla Realism recently, but we are getting really close to a good enough stable version to eventually release to App Lab. Now, we are very far from it as of right now, but we're getting closer each and every day. So, for example, today I implemented a mirror that kind of works, it's not working the way I want it to. This is just a simple render texture with a camera. It's not the best way, I know better ways, but I also set up light probes and reflection probes. So, in case you're wondering what reflection probes do, um, I don't have a good example of showing you because it's not on this mirror for a reason. I don't know why. But I can show you light probes. Light probes are pretty easy to just tell. So as you can tell, as I move towards this light source right there. Also, if you're asking what those little speckles are, that's from the normal map. It's meant to do that kind of. But watch my hand as I go towards the light, it'll start to glow up. Let's go up here. Once again, starts to glow up. Now, one other way I can show you guys the reflection probes is if I go in here. So notice how my color is this. So go in here, changes. So that's also another example of reflection probes. So here I want to show you another cool thing too. So we have where's it at? Oh, down arrow. Hands are a little bit messed up. We have colors, but they are very gimmicky. So watch this option 1. I turn fully black. Option 2, and now I'm pink. I guess this is a pretty cool color. But it's like really cool too, because if I go back into the shop, right? I go back in the shop, my color will change. So see that? That's kind of cool. All right, we're gonna go back to here. I want to show you another cool thing that is an example of reflection probes. So as I walk down here, it might not work on this color, but if I go into this corner, you can see how like it gives it so much detail. It's like RTX almost. Like so funny. This is the RTX corner. Looks so like fake. Looks like I could bite this. It looks like rubber. Okay, let's go back up here. Look, you can see the little parrot, little birdie that you have. This place is cool too. Oh look, there's another version. Oh whoa, that's weird. Anyways, up here. Also, head sounds almost work. Almost. Look, there's the birdie again. We can see it right there. It's looks a little bit gimmicky, but because it is. One other issue that we do have and that we are working on is player size. So if you go over here to the slide, you can see that my hands, everything just doesn't really match up almost. But slides also aren't done yet. Go into this water that I've made. Don't mind those little particles. That's from what's it called? I think it's I can't think of the name. It's like God rays almost. It's volumetric lighting. That's what it is. So it was an asset pack for volumetric lighting, but then I eventually realized that it doesn't work for baked lighting, which is what we used, so I couldn't use it. Look at this beautiful little tunnel thingy. Ow, I just hit my finger. This will be the leaderboard. There's no colliders on it as of right now, so that's why. Wait, I think I have it flipped the entire. It is. I have it flipped the opposite way around. See that? There's like a little seam right there. That's supposed to be shown on this side. Whoops. Sorry. Okay. Here. So we can go back to the computer. I don't think, do graphics work yet? Gen 3. Okay. Up, could you go back? So, turning works, kind of. The reason I say kind of is because, so, it says, see how it says 4.5? Turn it to 6, it'll go to 0.6, so, you can't change the last number, so you can't change the last number's value. Alright, what else is there? So, private rooms do work, so, see right here, I'm in code TJ2 something. We can do this to, like, 1114. Enter. And there, see, it connects me. So that's also kind of cool. Waterfall. I think its sound is messed up because it sounds like it's coming from. Where did it sound like it's coming? I can't. I'm so messed up. But I can hear it, but okay, never mind. It's not messed up. It's just me. Let's make it a peculiar. Dang it. Oh, I need to add light probes in there. Whoops, I forgot to do that. Alright. I think it's like, what? It's 10:38 on a school night. So, I need to get to bed. I'm gonna crumb up here real quick, though. Just cause I want to. Yeah. Oops. Dude, these slides look so ominous. They're like, they need light. Little parrot flying around. This game is looking so good graphically. It will eventually run. It'll run like this on the Quest. Hopefully, it does just as well as it does with these light probes and this mirror. This mirror is rendered at 1920, or I think it's 1080 by 1920. So that's obviously gonna need to scale down to like 128 or something. But that's it for this little devlog thingy. By the way, I want to clarify something real quick. I make, so everything that you see visually, like these, the player model, this map, I made all this, and stuff like making the computer connect me to another code, Joker just made that. So, he made the fact that waters, like it actually does water. He made the bird, which isn't done yet, but I'm excited for it. But Joker Josh is carrying this project, so remember, Joker Josh is a co-owner, you know, so most of this stuff is done by him. I make the maps, I put them in, and I do everything graphically. So I make lights, I set up light probes, I set up reflection probes, shaders and whatnot. So this is a little bit weird though, because the normal maps on this, you can see it on the other side. I don't know how to fix that. And because of these normal maps, it's given these cubes, these little crates, weird little artifacts on them. So I think I might need to turn off normal maps when baking, and then turn it back on after bake. And that should work. You can see him on here. Oh, you can see him really well when you get up the map too. Hang on, let me see if I can get up the map, and I'll show you. I'm talking so much, that's gonna take so long to upload to YouTube. Alright. I'll just go right there. We're using the default skybox. That's because when I was testing up the volumetric lighting, I was like experimenting, and I thought it had something to do with the skybox, and the fact that or the skybox that we were using did not have a sun, and it was not that at all. It was actually just because the light pack didn't, or the volumetric lights did not have baked lighting support. I'm pretty sure. Dude, it looks so funny. Look underneath that. That's what I was talking about. Ooh, come on. No, stupid idiot. With the flip. Okay. Get under here, please. How's that gonna work? I'm slow. That wouldn't work. I would have to launch myself, and I'm not that good to even do that. if I fall out, that means I'm gonna have to replay test, and I don't want to do all that. So, all right, that's it. And you have any suggestions, or if you think it's coming along so far, make sure to tell me in the Discord. Me and Jugger Josh are relatively active, so you should be able to catch us really day or night. So keep an eye out for us on the Discord. We always listen to suggestions. Oh my god. And actually some ideas are implemented from community. So if you want to leave your mark on the game, go ahead, leave your suggestion, and it might just be added. So that's it. I don't know if I'll do another devlog soon. I'll do like one when we actually have something bigger than just new map and computer with kind of working colors and mirror thingy.